my mind is flying to the end. Thoughts of you still linger in my memory, wondering why my life is not fair. And I could still recall those memories of you, the joy in all your laughter, the love that we've been through. Oh, I can't believe you come. I don't want to remember the things we used to do, all the things that remind me of you. And I don't want to hear those songs we used to sing, 'cause I don't wanna feel the pain in my heart. I just can't believe you called, but I don't want to remember the things we used to do, all the things that remind me of you. I don't want to hear those songs we used to sing, 'cause I don't wanna feel the pain in my heart. And I don't want to remember the things we used to do, and all the things that remind me of you. And I don't want to hear those songs we used to sing, 'cause I don't wanna feel the pain in my heart.
Thank you so much, Carlo Gutierrez. Yan, palakpakan naman natin si Carlo.
How old are you, Carlo?
I'm 18 po.
18, napakabata niya.
Kailan mo nalaman na ikaw ay may talent in singing?
Bata ka po, kanta-kanta lang din.
Sino naman nag-inspire sa'yo na kumanta? Ate ko? Ate mo? Sigurado ka ate mo yun.
Ginagaya ko lang kasi siya dun eh.
Okay.
Wow.
So, very inspiring. Very inspiring ang kanyang kinantang. Very inspiring din ang kanyang. Tapos sa ate siya. So medyo na, diba?
Yung genre talaga ng music na kinakanta mo. Puros rock talaga.
So, you don't accept yung mga gigs or wala akong mga events?
Kaya ako yun.
Nahiya ka?
Taga-saan nga pala si Carlo?
From Magsingal.
From Magsingal. Lahat ng mga say hi sa lahat ng mga taga-Magsingal. Hi mo.
And where do you study? University of the Philippines.
Computer science.
O diba? Student very young, very young, 18 years old. Thank you so much, Carlo.
Carlo?
Thank you. Yes, and before we go to end the show, mag-words of wisdom muna tayo. So what is our word for today?
Accept that life can be difficult at times. It is through that acceptance that you are truly able to make life great.
Yes, that's a very wonderful words of wisdom, Dalmar. Kasi ang life natin is like a wheel. Sabi nga na parang gulong yan. Lahat tayo dumadaan at dumaan sa mga hardships, right?
Exactly.
And we have to accept it kasi talagang part na talaga ng buhay, challenge. Kaya nga din tayo nagiging strong. It's because of the challenges that we actually
Saka life is not only life is not always a bed of roses. I for one, personally, gusto ko talaga yung mga challenges, mga problems na dumadating sa buhay because that will make me a better person.
Tama.
Sabi nga nila, sometimes you need to fall for you to rise again. You need to be, ika nga nila, pag nag-fall ka daw, di ba, mas magiging matatag ka, mas may natututunan ka sa mga experiences.
Yes, tama yun. Katulad ng mga mistakes, di ba? Pag gagawa tayo ng
Correct.
mistakes, tama rin yan na nakakagawa rin tayo ng mga ganyan kasi natututo tayo.
And life is a process of learning and it's a process of discovering new things and discovering yung mga bagay-bagay na talaga that will make you a stronger, a taller, and better person.
And if we are strong right now, nakatayo na tayo, syempre we have to be blessings for everyone.
Exactly.
Yes.
So that's our one for today. At bago tayo tuloy magtapos ngayong episode natin sa araw na ito, we would like to say thank you sa mga sponsors natin, syempre.
Yes, Anatomy's Fitness and Wellness Center, Mr. John Norbert Class, Chef Sam, Division Hub, and of course kay Mr. Martin Bernilia.
At syempre si Mr. Francis Flores, ang Hidden Garden, and Mrs. Tina Tan, and Mrs. Mary Ann or Mayan Macraeg of Red Dot Eco Living Backyard. Diba?
Yes.
Personal greetings?
You go first.
Okay, so here's my personal greetings. I'd like to say hi sa mga friends ko. Would like to say hi to George. Nagdala ng wardrobe ko kanina. And of course, si Jam, Edison, Winnie, Jeffrey Aquino, my mom, mga chikiting na pamangkin ko si Ryzen and Raven, mga relatives ko to Ate Tesseline. Hello there. And to my Avon family, of course, and nandiyan lagi Avon family ko. And sa lahat ng mga taong sumusuporta ng Wake Up Ilocos, hello sa inyong lahat. Yan.
Yes, syempre ako naman, hello sa aking mom and dad, and syempre sa aking lola, and sa mama ko rin, and to my twins, si Marcus and Miguel. Ito my husband. May husband na rin. Oo. And, tapos bababati pa lang ating mga empleyado ng Mart, lagi daw sila nanonood ng Wake Up Ilocos.
Wow.
Hello sa inyo. And of course,
Hello sa mga
Pastor and Pastora, Eugene Medina, and their son, Teaching. And Jenny Simone. Yes, have your family. And by the way, meron pa lang isang pa-promo ngayon ng Wake Up Ilocos. Syempre, ang Wake Up promo wherein kailangan po tutupan ng buong show from the start up to the finish kasi next week po ay magpapapro po kami. Of course, mananalo kayo ng cellphone. Yeah, very nice. I love it. Gusto kong join pero hindi pwede. And of course, for that, you have to send an email. Syempre, yung mga mechanics will be given next week. Kaya abangan niyo ang aming episode. At syempre, tutukan yung maigi ang Wake Up Ilocos para makuha niyo po ang buo kasi magbibigay mo kami ng questions. Okay, so watch out for that, the Wake Up promo. At dyan po nagtatapos ang ating show for today. Tumutok po ulit next week dito sa show kung saan more than unlimited ang saya.
Ito ang nag-iisang infotainment show sa buong Ilocanja. Sama-sama ulit tayo next week dito sa Wake Up Ilocos!
Cause what I be on to leave you with amnesia. I break all the rules like Evo Knievel. It's a spectacular show cause my heart pumps diesel. So when